What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got the 2013 Cadillac XTS. Today I'm going to be replacing one of these LED lights. So we have one, we have two, so there's one on each door handle, right? And of course the one that's going out is this one here on the passenger side. I picked up my package today. It looks right there. That's a 8 or 10 millimeter. Okay, there is a screw right there. Here's another one right there. Alright, so we can see the new one. All right, so I try to pull this connector out, and then we're realizing that it's not coming this side. It's not coming from this side out. So we have a new one here, and what we're looking at is that, hold that for me 1 second. The connector is just a little bit bigger than this piece that goes onto the bottom, right? So what we'll have to do is we'll just separate this there. Right, be careful so the button doesn't drop out right here. See, the button is loose, that one fell. So that's the old one. And then, okay, go ahead, Calhoun, pull it for me. Look, and then that's the only way it can go through, right there. So, one way in, one way out. So of course we gotta, separate the new one. So we're gonna separate that one. All right, there we go. All right, and then we'll have to feed it this way. Okay, I gotta line this thing up. All right, push it some more. All right, go. One way in, one way out. That's it. All right, where's the new one? It's the button. So we're gonna drop the button in first, and then we'll just sit this on the top. You can see that the button is ready to go. And we'll just insert that here. Now, the only thing we gotta do is test this light now to make sure it works. Now that it's back in place, we'll just put the small screw back here. No, it's a T10. All right, let's plug it back up. Let's see how it goes. Okay, all right, so that's connected, and there is of course there's a support right here. Make sure you stick that back in place. Remember to put your cord back here, and then of course, because every time you pull on the lock, right? See that?
Te ponen trampas por fuera, trampas por dentro.
Alright. Now the only thing we gotta do is just put these. Some of these clips are going to fall out, so you just gotta make sure you stick them back in. I'll show you right there. See it? Make sure it's it. All of the clips are back in. I got it. Remember, there is behind here, there's a whole bunch of connectors rod. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. You want to put this clipped in first? Go ahead.
That's it.
Yeah. All right, now there's the one for here. All right.
That's it.
Now we know that works. Now that the night is falling, we'll be checking the light here in a few minutes.